Moving abroad doesn't mean leaving family behind. Cyprus makes reunification simple and straightforward. Cyprus supports family life by offering dependent visas for professionals and investors relocating there. Dependent visas are available for your spouse and children under Cyprus's reunification policy. Applying for a dependent visa involves a straightforward process with clear steps and required documents. A legal marriage certificate is needed for spouses to be eligible under the Cyprus dependent visa policy. Children under 18 years old qualify as dependents for family reunification in Cyprus. Older children can also qualify in some cases, especially if they are full-time students or dependent on you. After submitting your application, Cyprus Immigration processes family reunion requests efficiently and transparently. Dependent visa holders gain access to Cyprus's national healthcare system for peace of mind and family wellness. Children on dependent visas can attend public schools in Cyprus at no additional cost to the family. Healthcare benefits extend to routine checkups, prescriptions, and emergency care for all visa dependents. Public schooling in Cyprus offers various language support options, helping children adjust smoothly to their new environment. Family reunification ensures you and your loved ones can settle comfortably into Cyprus's safe, welcoming community. Your immediate family enjoys the benefits of local life while staying closely connected to relatives abroad. Relocation is smoother when your loved ones are with you. Cyprus makes starting a new life together possible.